Okay, so this is one of the newest RC cars from IMEX. And this is something that they were gonna come out with about 10 years ago and just call it Big Bear, but they had some problems with the name. Now this is called Big Bear 2, and this thing is just revolutionary. Okay, the reason being is it's a completely substantial new classy design. Plus it's got metal gears, metal shaft, drive shaft, and wheel hexes. Plus it has a front, rear, and center metal differential. So that means it's gonna take the pounding of you racing your car. And this is a 4-wheel drive, 1/12 scale RC car. And this is just pure, absolute, unadulterated power. This is the most beautiful car you're gonna get for the money that you're gonna spend on it, okay? So let's get the hand throttle out first. And you gotta pop it out of the mount here.
Get this out first and then that will come right out.
Is that how it's gonna be?
Everything is in the box set. So this is your Big Bear, and it's got huge tires, so it will be able to go in a lot of strange areas. You got your connectors. This is a brushless system. You've got a 3-wire connector here, which signifies your brushless. Plus you have your headlights. Okay. Now most cars, especially if they're these lithium batteries, they'll have enough charge for at least a demo. All right. So you're going to connect this like this, and you're going to flip the switch on. There we go. You see how there's enough power, and you see the lights? Isn't that sweet? Okay. You're going to have enough power. So all your differentials, your gearing, your interior, all metal, okay? And so you're not going to have problems with getting stuck and everything. Now watch what happens. This is just absolutely pure power, okay? That's the thing about this car, okay? And this is called the Big Bear, and this is a brushless car. It's brand new from IMEX. We've got it at ProTinkerToys.com. Don't forget, we have all the parts, so don't worry about parts, because we can get everything you need in case you damage it, okay? That's important, okay? Very important. And this is another thing that's important. You have somebody to contact. ProTinkerToys.com. If you have problems with other of these big places, you got to talk to all these other. You have one person. You call up ProTinkerToys.com 877-7299 or 877-729-2099. You've got customer service at ProTinkerToys.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification button.